Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model design in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate the view, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 30, enter, finish sketch and take extrude. Take a symmetric extrude and take a distance of 20 mm and press OK. OK. Now here go to origin and select here the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Take the circle command. Make a circle here of diameter 12.5. Enter. Go to dimension. From the center point, make here a dimension of 93.75. And here take horizontal constraint. Select the center and here select the center. Finish sketch. Take here revolve command. So this profile is selected. Now we have not make any axis. So for axis, we'll select here the y axis. So it will generate the revolve command. Okay. So this will be a full revolve and press OK. Now here we'll select the top plane again. Select the exit plane. Go to create sketch. Rotate. And here go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here go to sketch and here we will take a arc command. Take 3-point arc. We'll start the arc from here. Okay. And make one arc here. And make one arc here. Okay. Now here go to dimension. From this center point, define this end at 93.75 mm. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint. Select this point. Select this point. Select this point and select this point. Go to dimension. Define the radius as 25 and this radius also of 25 mm. Finish sketch. Now here go to plane. Click on plane. Now here for plane select this profile and select this point. First we have to select the profile. So a new plane is being generated at the end point. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now we will project this point here. Go to project geometry and project this point. Take circle command. On this point we will make a circle of diameter 10 and finish sketch. Okay. Now here we will take the sweep command. So this circular profile has been selected. Now for path, we'll select this path. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now here I want a pattern of this. Go to 3D model and here take circular pattern. Select this profile, go to rotation axis, select this. Now here we want a count of 6. So this will be a 6 and degree will be 360 degree. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Take here rectangle and go to polygon command. So this will be a 6-side polygon. From this center point, make a polygon profile. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this and select this. Okay. Go to dimension, define this outer. This will be of 15 mm and finish sketch. Take extrude, flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. and press OK. Okay, now here we'll define the appearance. So this will be a cyan color. You can take any color as you wish. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct such type of designs in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.